Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Find My iPhone to go ahead and find your iPhone whenever it is lost or something like that. So for example, you left your phone somewhere and you forgot where you left it. Make sure that you are on your settings first. Go ahead into your Find My settings right over here and make sure that your Find My phone is always going to be turned on, and also go ahead and put send last location right over here when the battery is critically low, right? So when you do this, now what you can do is go on your Mac or your other devices where you can simply go ahead and open Find My, and let's just say, for example, I forgot this phone somewhere, right? I'm just going to leave it on the ground. I'm not touching the phone whatsoever. And now if I go ahead and go to find my phone on my laptop, what I can do is simply go ahead into iPhone, and then I can click on play sound. And as you can see, Find My iPhone alert is going to be playing right over here. And it's making noise as well. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button.